You open the fridge, grab an egg, crack it. But what you didn't see on the shell could make you seriously sick. Dead brown speck? It's not just dirt, it's chicken poop. And it might be carrying deadly bacteria like Salmonella. And here's the scary part. If you wash the egg wrong, the bacteria can slide through tiny pores in the shell straight into the egg white. One mistake, one bite, and you are in the ER with violent food poisoning. Think washing solves it? Not always. Washing with cold water actually pulls germs inside the egg, and skipping the wash, you are leaving poop particles in your fridge. So what's the right move? Wash gently with warm water only if necessary, and always refrigerate quickly, because next time you crack an egg, you might also be cracking open a hidden threat. This is Miss Unveiled. Subscribe for more such videos.